Wonderful diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a sneak peek from our friends at Distracted by Diamonds. I'm so excited to share this one with you today. It's beautiful and rainy in Montana where I live. The allergies are strong. I've been doing the vocal warm-ups for the last 45 minutes and I still sound like a frog. So you guys, we're just going with it today. The pollen is out. What can I say? We did a little opera. Nothing's working. I'm also fighting off a little cold, I think, which was lovingly donated to me by one of my students, which is always much appreciated. Grab yourselves a coffee. We're going to take a look at this fabulous canvas. I'm going to give you all the details. And I'm going to try not to talk while the crackling is happening. Sometimes I forget and I just keep talking. I'm such an amateur. You too can have a YouTube channel, and you probably do. And that's so great. Say hi, pop your YouTube channel down in the comments. I want to know if you have one, and I'd love for my viewers to go support it. This canvas is called Song of Spring by the amazing watercolor artist Sophia Nicolina. And you guys, our friend Robyn at Distracted by Diamonds is doing such a wonderful thing. So the profits from this canvas are going to be donated to Save the Children's Ukrainian Relief Fund. So I really hope if you guys find this canvas appealing at all that you'll head over there, snatch one up, support that great cause, because there are people in the world who really need us right now. And there are a number of great causes providing relief to Ukrainians in need. And this is one of many ways that you can provide some support. So let's take a peek. We'll go from the top down here. I'll take out all the bits as we go and I'll show you in a minute. Isn't this so cute? Now, Sophia Nicolina does a lot of watercolor animal illustrations that are very cute. Very, very cute. Let me roll this backwards really quick. How cute is this? My house is very dark today because it's rainy, but hopefully you guys can see this adorable Robyn. Look at that. This is a 52 by 67 centimeter square drill canvas with 43 colors. So nice. Let's keep going. Of course, I'll take you out for some long views here in a little bit. Very, very bright. Bright and crisp and clear. Let's see if I can get some glare off. My overhead lights today are brighter than my light coming in through my windows. That's always a challenging situation. Isn't that so cute? I can't get over how cute this birdie's face is. That's so great. So, so great. Let's take a look at what else came in the kit. So it came with this adorable drill tray, some pink wax, some Distracted by Diamonds washi tape. Very nice. It also came with, and if you guys have ordered a Distracted by Diamonds before, this is pretty much the standard fare. So a pink diamond painting pen with a 6-placer, the essentials if you're new, right? Some release paper. Now I have confirmed with Robyn that this release paper goes shiny side down. So if you're going to use it, make sure you know that. Shiny side, the waxy side, goes down towards your canvas. Then we have our labels, which are pre-cut over here on the left-hand side. A sticker that you can cut out and put in your diamond painting journal. And a little information about Distracted by Diamonds, which is really great. I do on occasion work with Distracted by Diamonds in the area of artist licensing. And I'm pleased to say that this is a canvas that I helped to license, and it was a lot of fun to work with Sophia. We really appreciated getting to work with Sophia, and it's always a blast to help bring new artists into the diamond painting world. Let's flip this over. I'm going to show you some of the colors of our drills here. Look at those greens. Light backgrounds always scare me in diamond paintings, but this background I betcha is not white. I bet it's these beautiful shades of green, which is awesome. Look at these. I love, love, love pre-bag drills. Now, if you have a lot of static with your pre-bag drills, just try to be a bit careful in your handling. So don't do a lot of shaking around. You can stick a little piece of dryer sheet down in your bag and then kind of shake the drills around. That can get rid of some static. That actually works really well. Look at all these different shades of green. Some of them are the same, I guess. Let's see. Those are the same. 3756, 747, gorgeous colors. That is one of my very favorite colors in the world. That kind of robin's egg blue. That's gonna be lovely. Some more 747. Look at these shades of red and orange. Oh my goodness. Artists always know how to use the contrasting colors, don't they? So if you think about the color wheel, blue and orange are opposite from each other. And so the shades of blues and oranges can create a really striking and dynamic contrast. And artists always seem to know how to combine those just right in a really beautiful way. We've got some that verge on pink. We've got some that verge on orange. Really pretty. Nice colors. Of course, we also have some grays, some burgundies, some dark browns, some light grays. That's gonna be so pretty. I mean, look at this. I love that so much. That's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see where some of the colors go. If I can move these and not make a mess. Okay. So our background here is indeed going to be these two shades of blue-green, robin's egg blue, perfect color for a robin, right? Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This beautiful orange tummy we have there. Oh, it's gonna be so lovely. I wanna start on this right now. I always wanna start on every canvas I get right away. So beautiful, oh my gosh. The symbols look so clear. I'm just gonna take a little close peek at them. Sometimes it's hard until you start working on a canvas to really get into the nitty-gritty of the symbols. There is in places on this a symbol B that looks a little bit like an S or an 8 when you're looking at it on the canvas itself. The good news is, from what I can see over here, there is not an S or an 8. So that was good thinking. Good thinking on the designer's part. Really lovely. What do you guys think? I hope you'll head over to Robyn's Etsy shop at Patty Wax and Distracted by Diamonds. Grab one of these canvases with the profits going to the Ukrainian Relief Fund at Save the Children. What a great cause, what a great canvas, and what great artwork. I hope you really enjoyed seeing it today. I hope you've had the best week ever. I hope you have the best week ever coming up. Leave me a comment, let me know how you are. And of course, check out some of the creators who hopefully stuck their channel in the comments down below. I'm looking forward to exploring those as well. I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful week. I'll catch you next time. As always, spread some joy wherever you are. Bye.